你好. So today let's continue 我爱我的家 lesson. So here is the PowerPoint. 我爱我的家. I love my family. So next structure. Yesterday we learned how to make a question using 谁. Still remember 谁? 谁 means who. So today we'll also review this structure again and do some extending content for this. Let's look at this one. So 他是谁? Let's have a quick review. Who is he or who is she? So 他是谁? So the answer will be like, if the answer is he is my dad, it will be 他是我的爸爸. Or she is my mom. 她是我的妈妈. Or he is my little brother. 他是我的弟弟. Okay, since we know how to do the statement, so how to do the negative format of these sentences. Look at this one. She is not my big sister. We learned the negative word before. Do you still remember it? Which is 不. Remember, like 我是中国人，我不是中国人 or 你是不是中国人 right? So 是不是 and 是不是 structure. We learned these structures in the nationality lesson. So think about how to do this. Since you know she is my big sister in Chinese. 她是我的姐姐. So you need a negative word, which is 不, to put it into this sentence to change it into a negative sentence. So think about where do we put 不? Is it before the verb or after verb? So it is before the verb. Let's check out the sentence. 她不是我的姐姐. So she is not my older sister. Okay, now let's look at this one. She is my younger sister. 她是我的妹妹. So how to do she is not my younger sister? That will be 她不是我的妹妹. So you know where we should put the 不 into the sentence. That's the point. Okay, now let's review and also use the 是不是 structure for this question. Is he your dad? So literally it should be is he your dad or not? So 他是不是你的爸爸? So literally this sentence means is he or not? Is he or he is not your dad? 他是不是你的爸爸? I know this is very different from English. You don't say this things, but this structure is very common in Chinese. So when you hear something like 是不是, okay, you know that's for optional. So actually the sentence is he your dad? You just select the answer for this question. Okay, so if the answer is yes, he is my dad, that will be 是, 他是我的爸爸. If think about it, if the answer is not, that would be maybe 不是, right? 他不是我的爸爸. So just want to let you review 是不是 structure again. Okay, now let's do some practice using 是不是. So is he your brother, little brother or not? So it should be 他是不是你的弟弟? Pay attention to here. We learned ma before, so the sentence can be 他是你的弟弟吗? Right? Or 他是不是你的弟弟? So when you use 是不是, you don't have ma at the end. Here is the point. So if the answer is no, 不, 他不是我的弟弟. He's not my little brother. Or he is my elder brother. 他是我的哥哥. So here is the complete answer for this question. If your answer is no, he's not my little brother. He's my older brother or elder brother. So let's repeat this sentences again. 他是不是你的弟弟? Is he or is he is not your little brother? So 不是, 他不是我的弟弟, 他是我的哥哥. So this is kind of a complete answer for this question. So this is about 是不是 structure. And then let's do this again. Is she your little sister or not? 她是不是你的妹妹 right? 是不是 structure. Is she or she is not your little sister? Now let's do a complete answer for this question. 不是，她不是我的妹妹。Let's assume she is my elder sister. That would be 她是我的姐姐。Okay, so 她是不是你的妹妹？不是，她不是我的妹妹，她是我的姐姐。Okay, next structure is 这。Still remember what is 这？这 is a pronoun. It is this, right? This. It is 这。Okay. It just use it like English. So, see, this is my mom. So you just translate it literally. So this will be this. 这是我的妈妈. Remember my mom. So don't forget the after 我 to change I into my. Okay, so 这是我的妈妈. This is my mom. Okay, this one. This is my big brother. So first, how to do big brother? It's 哥哥, right? My big brother, that will be 我的哥哥. So this is, that will be 这是. So is, which is to be, is 是 in Chinese. So 这是我的哥哥. This is my older brother. Excuse me. So this one, this is my younger sister. So younger sister is 妹妹, right? My younger sister, that will be 我的妹妹. This is my younger sister, that will be 这是我的妹妹. Okay, now let's do last one. This is my teacher, that will be 这是我的老师. Okay, so you know 老师 is teacher. And how to say student? Do you remember that? That is 同学. Okay. And so next structure is 有 structure. So this 有 is a little bit different from English because in Chinese there is no, there is or there are structure. So when you think about to do a sentence using this structure, always convert it into have or has structure. For example, like how there are 6 people in my family. If you think you just think this sentence is hard to make it into Chinese because there is or there are structure in Chinese. So let's just convert this English to this structure. My family has 6 people. So then you will get the sentence easily. Okay, let's look at this sentence. How many people are there in your family? So how to ask about this question? So you just change it like your family has how many people? So then you get this sentence. Let's look at here. So here is a hint. Your family has how many people? Literally. So 你, right? So here should be the, but when you do for your family, your mom, dad, actually the is optional. But when you want to say like my dog, your dog, my bird, something like this, the is not optional in that situation. So you should understand 你家, which is equals to 你的家 means your family. Okay, so literally it means your family. So your family. 有 means have has, right? Has in here. And 几, we learned 几 before. It's a question word related to number. Think about how to ask about what grade are you in. 你上几年级, right? So 几 here means how many. And also 个 means measure word. Remember we did it in last lesson, like two students, that will be 3 students, that will be 3个人. So there is a measure word between number and a noun. So how to answer this question? Let's look at it. So it will be 你家有几个人? So answer will be like 你家有5个人 this is the statement order, right? 你家有5个人 this means your family has 5 people. And if you think about a statement first and then change it into a question, that will be much easier for you. So your family has 5 people. Now let's do this question. Your family has how many people? Which is how many people are there in your family, right? So it just change this number into the question word, which is 几. You know, it means like how many. It is to ask about how many, about numbers. And the other components, see, they are all same. So 你家有几个人? And then like you can answer like 我家有 my family has 6 people. 我家有6个人. So it's like this. Okay, so look at this one. So 5, you got a number, you got a 人, which is a people, right? Like 美国人, American person. Here, 5个人. 5 people. Don't forget there is a measure word 个 between the number and the noun. So for example, like 2 teachers, that will be 2个老师. Don't forget 个. So like 3 cats. So cats is 猫. 3 cats will be 3个猫. So here is the structure. So when you change it into a question like how many people, don't forget 个 also. So there is a 个. So if you just remember, like memorize very simple sentence as an example, you just, you know, it's easy to change it into a question or other format, like how many people are there in her family. Now let's look at another one. So now I'm asking like Maggie. So here is Maggie, right? So Maggie 家有几个人? So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 people. So the answer will be Maggie 家有5个人. So you can see just change the person and still the same structure. How many people are there in Maggie's family? So Maggie 家有几个人? Maggie 家有5个人. So I will suggest you to remember a simple one, just like 我家有5个人. My family have, like, you can do 3, you know, as a simple as an example sentence, and then just change the format or person, subject, change the number, change it into a question. Depends on your need. Okay, so that's about 有 structure. Now the assignment for today, so you just complete the next worksheet and then submit to me. There is a listening part on it, and it's about a sound of the family. So just listen carefully. We can do several times. Write down the words and the book, you know, the terms or any sentences you can hear and understand. You can understand a lot. Okay, and write it down. Write them down in characters, and also there are several practice of the sentences. Okay, and don't forget to submit to me for grades. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. 再见。